is curly, it's gonna give a lot of softness. And because we're pulling the hair back, it makes it longer in the front. Okay. And then we're gonna also cut the bottom here. So the first step is the layer. And then because we pulled this back, this is longer in the front. See that? Okay.
Aloha everyone! So we're gonna do a curly hair layered bob. See, it's pretty long in the back. Yeah. I can show you how you can do curly hair also. We're gonna cut it up shoulder length and with layers. Okay, ready?
Okay, it's really simple. Let me show how you can do this yourself at home. Since the salons are closed, you can use the Korea clip to cut your hair. So I'm gonna get you to do this layered bob haircut. Actually, can we take off the glasses? Yeah, is that okay? Yeah, okay. It's easier. So you're just gonna tilt your head back, all the way back as much as you can. Yeah, like this. And you're gonna grab the hair like you're gonna put it in a ponytail. Maybe we'll go on the side so we can let people see. Yeah, like this. Like you're gonna almost put it in a ponytail in the back. Okay? And I'm going to just brush the hair like you're gonna put it in a ponytail. Like that. We're gonna use the small blue Korea clip and we're gonna clip it up from the bottom here. Comb it, use it to comb. One more time. Clip it up like this. Okay? And comb. So that just helps comb the hair. It has the teeth. Yeah. Lock it into place. There. That way it frees your hand. Okay, you can put your head up. Yeah. And actually just show this side how it looks like too. Okay. And we're going to just pull the hair out. And you can see here, this is the bottom of the hair and it's gonna fall probably around there. We're gonna cut all this off because we want it to be a nice dramatic difference. See? And it's pretty long. Yeah? Okay, so you're just gonna pull it straight out like this. Make sure it's balanced. Okay? And then you're gonna hold it tight. Okay, turn around this way. So I'm gonna cut it on this side just because it's I'm right-handed, so I can turn it and cut it. Actually, let's turn it a little more. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna cut all this hair here. Okay. You can start from the bottom, more of the top, and just slowly cut. So I'm gonna get rid of this first. Just get all this hair out. Okay. And then you can go in there and texturize it like this. I'm cutting vertical snips so it's soft. Okay. And before I pull this out, I'm also going to texturize it. So I'm going to clip it in one more time like this. Okay. So I can texturize the ends. So you want to leave about 2 to 4 inches. And you're going to use the thinning shears and we're going to texturize that. And that's going to give it a little bit more movement, and you just go in there using the thinning shears and texturize. That's going to give a lot of body. Oh, the sun just came out. Okay, we're just gonna do that. That's gonna give a lot of body movement, texture, and especially because your hair is curly, it's gonna give a lot of softness. And because we're pulling the hair back, it makes it longer in the front. Okay, and then we're gonna also cut the bottom here. So the first step is the layer. And then because we pulled this back, this is longer in the front. See that? Okay, I'm gonna just scrunch it up so you can see what it looks like at this point, but then I'm gonna cut the back a little bit shorter up. So let me.
That's yeah, that's Anna's spray actually. That one.
Oh yeah, I have her product. So we're gonna just scrunch a little bit of this in there to just get rid of the frizz, so you can see. It has some nice essential oils, I believe. I have her same product at home. See?
It's white ginger.
I usually bring my Korea clip spray, but I just forgot it today. See, so that just gave it a really nice layered, but I also want to cut it shorter. So to do the bottom part, we're just going to gather all this from the front and back. Okay. So the first step was to layer, and it also created an A-line, but now we're going to cut the back a little shorter. Okay, I'm gonna get you to tilt your head forward just a little bit, tilt your chin a little down. Not so much? Okay. Okay, and you gather all the hair like this. Okay, Okay, flip the cray clip so the level's on the other side because we're going to flip it over like this. And that's just gonna make the front end a little bit longer, okay? And we're gonna trim all that here. Leaving the front longer. Okay, that's just gonna get rid of the length in the middle and then makes the front longer, more of an 8-line. Okay, so let me brush this out a little bit. Still, see, we wanted it to kind of like fall on the shoulder. Okay, we spray a little bit of product. Bring out the curl. So when you have curly hair, it's good to scrunch it. That way it makes it more of a defined curl. And sometimes you can even twist it like this and then scrunch. Twist, scrunch. So this is the layered A-line bob. Okay. So it goes from short here and then long in the front. Okay. You see the front side? And I think, do we want to give her a little bit of a bang? That might look nice too.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we can do all different haircuts. Yeah, let's do the bang. Okay. All right, because this is going to shrink up a little more, so I don't want to cut too much. I want it to fall right on your shoulders. See how it's like coming up like this? Yeah, but I do think a bang will look nice, so if you want a bang, let's do a bang.
Bang, bang.
So you want to do you go from temple to temple in like a triangle, like this and this. Okay, so tilt head down. So we're going to take this section, temple, temple. Just this part here. And we're going to do like a nice side bang. And we're going to give it a little bit longer because your hair is curly and it's going to shrink up. Okay, but we will clip the cray clip in like this. Actually, let's do curtain bangs. Okay, so what I normally do anyways is clip the hair in, comb it once, and then clip it in like this, lock into place. And when you do the curtain bangs, you're going to do twists. That's going to make it longer on the sides. Okay. And I like to, at least when you pull it to your eyes, it's going to shrink up to your eyebrows. Now, if you pull it to your nose, because your hair's curly, it's probably going to go up to more to your eyes. So it's always best to cut like longer and then go back up and cut more if you need. But I'm going to go to her nose, everybody. Her nose. This is what it's going to look like with the bangs to the nose. Okay. I first do this, and then I'm going to take the thinning shears in there too. Okay, so when I pull this out, you'll see that it falls more like curtain. But I'm also going to do it one more time so I can texturize it, okay? Same technique. Flip it over like this, lock it into place, twist. Leaving at least 2 inches, okay? And we're going to just soften the ends with the thinning shears. See that? That's going to be nice. And then that allows the bangs to fall like a curtain. You can make it fall in your eyes like a curtain like this, or you can go to the side. It falls really nice to the side because it goes long and short. But I think because of your hair cowlick here, you can go either side, but it looks like this side's kind of nice right now. Okay, let's do that. So I'm gonna just put a little bit of the same spray so we can bring out the curls. There you go, everybody. Some curtain bangs, A-line layered bob. Nice new fresh look since we can't go to the salon. The salons are closed, you know, with COVID and everything, and you gotta do it yourself at home and be safe. So we're doing this live haircut, new look, and it looks really cute on the just right there on the shoulders. I'm gonna scrunch it up so you guys can see how it really brings out the curls. Yeah. Almost there. The more you scrunch, the more curls it's gonna bring out. But see now with the layers, it just really brought more volume, especially up here in the crown. See that? That's nice. And see the back? Everybody can see how her hair scrunched up. One more live Korea clip cut and we're done. There we go. Very nice. I love this curl. Diane, this curl's looking amazing. Yeah, I like to see how this is curling right here. I love that. And it's longer than the back. The back here is like stacked because we pulled it back, and it's more body. Woohoo! It looks good. And I like how the curtain bangs are like twisting in the front here. Come look, girls. Looks very nice. Yeah, she's got a new fresh look with her curls. We did a curtain side bang. See how these bangs just fall really nice. Get some volume there. And these are longer pieces, so she looks edgy, you know? Like it's not just a bob, it's an A-line layered bob. I love it. Look at that. Looking good. A nice little turn. Nice little turn of the back. Curl. Ta-da! Love it. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Can't wait to see.